Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
What date today? What day today? Today is Sunday, Monday,
Saturday, 8th
Saturday.
August 2020.
Okay, very good. Today is which date, Lakshmi?
Today's date 8 August 2020.
Yes, today is 8th August 2020 and today is Saturday. We will start our meeting with the thought for the day.
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Lakshmi, you read the thought for the day.
Today's date 8 August 2020. Day Saturday. Thought of the day. You have to dream before your dreams can come true.
Yes, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. We have to think of something. We have to try for that. Then only our dreams will come true. So for the first two things to come true, we have to first think of the dream. If we imagine that I will get the good marks in the dream, then you will try for that and then your dream will become true. So for getting the dreams true, first you have to dream that. Means you have to decide something that I will do this and this. Then you have to try for that and then you will have success in your life. Understood, students?
Yes.
So Pritesh, what you are dreaming, what I told you now, just now, what you will do? One day your teacher will tell everyone that Pritesh handwriting is very nice, excellent handwriting. Yes, Pritesh? Pritesh? Yes, Pritesh? You will dream that teacher is telling me that my handwriting are excellent. My handwriting is excellent. So you will try for improving your handwriting. Okay, Pritesh? Yes or no? Promise?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, very good.
Promise.
Okay, very good. Now, today's homework and learning topics. Okay, we will start with our today's homework and the learning topics. The second period is about the weekly test and the first period is... Yes, read this, Pritesh. Maths period.
Max, multiplication of factor.
Fraction. Fraction.
Watch, listen carefully and understand the topic.
Watch, listen careful and understand the topic.
Okay, watch, listen carefully and understand the topic. So I will play the video. It is a very short duration video and then we will discuss how to do the multiplication of the fraction. I'm sharing the video. Chapter
Good
9.
morning, kids. Today, let us learn multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Here, to multiply a fraction by another fraction, we have to just find the product of the numerators divided by the product of the denominators. Let us take an example. 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 into 3. Good morning. Let us learn multiplication. Here, another fraction, we have product of the denominator. 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 7 into 4.
Okay, students. So what we have to do for the multiplication of the fraction? We have to multiply. Product means multiply. Numerator with the numerator. So what is 4 threes are? 4 threes are 12 and 7 fours are 7 fours are 28. So answer will come as 12 upon
Further, simplify
28.
by
And then we
reducing
can simplify
4
this.
from the
See, 4
numerator
and 4,
and
we can divide
denominator.
both the numbers with 4.
Thus,
So
we
answer is
get
1.
1 into 3 upon 7 into 1, which is equal to 3 upon 7.
Understood?
Now,
Common
let
factors
us
they have
multiply
divided.
two mixed numbers.
Okay,
Step
now
1.
Pritesh or anyone others, First, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Who will tell me the answer? 4 and 3 upon 8. Convert it into the improper fraction. How you will do? 4 8s are
2, 4 8 ja 32.
32 plus 3. How much?
35.
35 upon 8. So this fraction will become as 35 upon 8. And what about this? Tell me now answer for this fraction.
5 3 ja 15.
15 plus 3.
3 18.
18 upon 5.
18 upon 5.
5. Yes.
Five.
First what we have to
Improper
do.
fractions. Here we get the improper fractions.
See this. 4 multiplied by 8. And then we have to add the numerator. So 4 into 8 plus 3 upon 8. And here earlier we were doing the addition and the subtraction. Today we are discussing about the multiplication.
As 35 upon 8 into 18 upon 5.
Now is the cancellation possible? See, in the numerator there is 5. We can divide 5 and 35 with 5. So if we divide 5 with 5, then here it will come as 1. And here it will become 5 sevens are. So here we will write 7. And 8 and 18, both are the even numbers. So we can divide with 2. So if we divide both the numbers with 2, then here we will get as 9. And here, sorry, here we will, and here we will get 9. Afterward, I will explain you with the help of the
Step
whiteboard
2.
also.
Divide the product of numerators by the product of denominators. That is 35 into 18 upon 8 into 5. Step 3. Simplify. Here we reduce all the numbers from the numerator
See this,
and
5
denominator
and
to their
35.
lowest terms. Thus, we get 7 into 9 upon 4 into 1, which is equal to 63 upon 4.
This
Step
again,
4 is changing the improper fraction back to a mixed number.
we can
Thus,
convert this
we
into
get
the
the
mixed
mixed
fraction.
number as 15 and 3 upon 4, which is the answer.
Understood, students?
Why
Now we will
not
go to
try
the next
solving
number.
one story problem? Let us begin.
See, they are telling some
Eliza
story.
walks 3 upon 4 kilometers in an hour. How much distance does she cover in 4.5 hours? So we write the statements as: in 1 hour, Eliza walks 3 upon 4 kilometers. Total number of hours she walks is equal to 4.5 hours. Distance covered in 4.5 hours is equal to 3 upon 4 into 4.5. To find the answer, we begin with the conversion of the mixed number to an improper fraction. We get 3 upon 4 into 9 upon 2. Now find the product of numerators divided by the product of denominators, which gives 27 upon 8.
This we have to convert
Finally,
into the
let
mixed
us
fraction
change
again.
the improper
8 threes are
fraction
24.
to a
So
mixed
3
number.
and
Thus,
3 upon
we
8.
get 3 and 3 upon 8. Thus, Eliza covered by a fraction.
So she covered this much distance. Okay, now stop this. Now with the help of the whiteboard, I will discuss with you how to do the multiplication of the fraction. How much you have understood? Okay. Now children, wait a second. Rehan has entered, Shivam has entered. Okay. Okay, now suppose 3 upon 8 into 4 upon 5. What will be the answer? What we have to do here? Multiplication. Numerator with the numerator and denominator with the... yes.
3 4s are 12.
And denominator?
8 5s are 40.
Yes. Okay. We can do like that also. 3 4s are 12 and 8 5s are 40. And then again we have to simplify this. Or we can do first the simplification. What is the meaning of simplification? Means we can divide the number numerator and denominator with the same number. We can divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number to simplify. To simplify means to make it small number. See, in the table of 4, 8 comes. So we can divide both these numbers with 4. Suppose I divide 4 with 4, then here the answer will come 1. And I divide with the same number I have to divide numerator and denominator. So 4 2s are 8. Now what the number became? 3 1s are 3 and 5 2s are 10. In here if I simplify, then also I will get the same answer. After getting this 12 upon 4, I am dividing with 4. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 10s are 40. So answer is 3 upon 10. When we finish 5 sums now, you will be able to understand very clearly. I will explain 5 sums and then you will solve by yourself. Now second sum, 7 upon 14 into 15 upon 9. First we will try whether the simplification is possible or not. Can we divide 14 with 7? Is it possible to divide 14 with 7? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So we will divide both this number with 7. So here answer will come 1 and here the answer will come 2. Now this both number is can be divided by which number? 15 and 9. These are the odd numbers. So we can divide with 3. These are the odd numbers. So it is possible to divide with the 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Understood? Now numerator with the numerator. So 5 1s are 5 and 3 2s are 6. So answer will come as 5 upon 6.
Upon 6.
Now is it possible to divide 4 with 2?
Yes.
Yes. So I am dividing numerator and denominator this both with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now the answer is 1 1s are 1 upon 14. Okay. Now one more sum and then you will tell me the answer. I am explaining one sum. Now here, is it the cancellation possible? The cancellation or simplification is possible? No. Here the, okay, so we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So what the answer will come?
6 11s are 61.
11 6 are?
6 11s are 66.
11 6 are 66 and 7 5s are?
7 5s are 35.
35. Then this is improper fraction or proper fraction? 66 upon 35.
Improper.
Improper. So we have to convert this improper into the proper. So 35 1s are 35 because 35 2s are is 70. So 35 1s are 35. And how much number? What number will remain? Remainder will be 66 minus 35.
1.
31
No.
or 31?
No.
31.
31.
31. Okay, students. Now you try. Okay. Now you will try. Then we will play the game. First you try this. Okay. Now.
3 1s are 3.
3 upon
3 2s are 6. 3 1 are 3. 4 2s are 8.
Yes. So what is the answer?
3 upon 8.
3 upon 8.
3 upon 8.
3 upon 8.
upon 8.
4 7s are
9 4s are 28.
4 7s are 28.
5 3 28. 5 3 are 15. 5 3s are 15.
Now this is the mixed fraction. Sorry, improper fraction. We have to convert it into the mixed fraction. 15 1s are 15. And how many? What
15.
number remainder is?
20.
13.
Yes, very good.
13.
Very good. So how you will read this? How you will read the answer?
1 and 30 upon 15.
Yes, very good. Very good. Students.
1
Now
and
third, some. See, here the simplification is possible because in the table of 4, 8 comes. So we will divide both this number with, we will divide both these numbers with
8.
4. 4 ones are 4. And here if I divide with 4, the answer is 2. Same way, we will divide these numbers with which number? 5 and 15.
5.
5.
5.
5 ones are 5. And here 5 threes are 15. Now the answer is 3 ones are 3. And 2 ones are 2. So answer is 3 upon 2. Again we have to convert this into the mixed fraction. So 2 ones are 2 and 1 upon 2. Like this you have to write the answer. One more. Okay.
44 upon 35.
11 4.
Yes. 44 upon. Yes, Lakshmi. 44 upon
7 5 are 7 5 are 35.
35 and convert into the mixed fraction. Now convert into mixed fraction.
Yes. 35. 31 5 are 35.
1 and
9.
and 9 upon
9.
35.
9.
Yes, very
No.
good.
1 and 9 upon 35.
Very good,
1
students.
and 9 upon 35.
So you have understood about this multiplication. Now today I have shared
Yes,
one.
miss.
Now today I have shared one YouTube video about the abacus. Have you listened?
Yes.
How many of you watched the video? It is very interesting. With the help of the abacus, you can learn everything. Subtract. Yes, Lakshmi has seen that video. With the help of the abacus, you can do the multiplication, addition with the help of your fingers. Are you interested in learning that, students?
Yes.
You want to watch the video first, or you want to learn from me? You want to see first video?
Yes, first video. Yes.
Okay, very good, students. We will watch the video. Where I have shared in online education group, na Lakshmi?
Yes. Yeah.
हेलो बच्चों, मैंने अपने आपको पुरानी वीडियो में क्या सिखाया था कि नंबर कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अपनी फिंगर्स पे, और आज मैं आपको सिंपल एडिशन और सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन सिखाऊंगी, वो भी बहुत ही इजी वे में। वो भी कैसे? अपनी फिंगर से। आज भी हम अपनी पेन पेंसिल कॉपी का किसी का भी यूज नहीं करेंगे और सिर्फ किसका यूज करेंगे? फिंगर्स का। तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो ये पसंद आए तो प्लीज हमारे पेज को, तो बच्चों वीडियो स्टार्ट करें। नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, जोर से बोलो, स्टार्ट करें। आर यू रेडी? यस, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलिए बच्चों, बहुत ही क्विकली हम रिवीजन करते हैं, तो आर यू रेडी ना? तो चलिए मेरे साथ फटाफट करना। 1 राइट हैंड 1 2 with her 2 3 4 then finger close, arm open 5 6 7 8 and this is 9. Left hand side पे 10 20 30 40 and close finger 50 60 70 80 90, जिसे हमारा पुराना वीडियो नहीं देखा है पार्ट 1। सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पे लिखा है 3 + 1 मैं यूज नहीं करूंगी, बस मैं आपको समझाना चाहती हूँ। देखिए ये भी एक डिजिट है, 1 डिजिट है। Students, see, you have to see your right hand and left hand. In the right hand, you have put this finger like this. This is number 1. All of you show your finger. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now this number, only this thumb shows the number 5. Now 6. See, now this is 5. So this 5 and 1, 6. This 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 3, 8. 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 9. So total numbers are 9. Understood? And in this hand, this is showing the tens place. This hand shows the unit place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you doing, students? Are you doing, Pritesh?
Yes.
Pritesh, Satyam? 6. See this. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sir, this is 9. Okay. Now this different hand. Now this is my left hand. 10. This will show
20.
the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. And this on this thumb, only thumb. This is 50. Then this is 50 and this is 10. So this is 60. This is 70. This is 80. And this is 90. Understood? Okay, now I am asking you some numbers. You will tell me which number it is. Which number?
Yes.
Which number? 3.
3.
4.
This.
5.
Yes, this is the number 5. Now I am showing my left hand side. Which number this is?
10.
Yes, very good. This
10.
is
10.
this
30. 30.
This is
3.
50.
50.
50.
Okay.
15.
Okay. Now we will do the addition quickly. First watch this video, then I will explain you. Maybe मैं बस ये दोनों रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं 1, 2, 3. ये वाले जो फिंगर है, ऐसे अगर हम अप करेंगे तो ये देखिए कितना हो गया मेरा 1, 2, 3, 4. नेक्स्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे हमारा नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या है 3 + 5. राइट हैंड से 3 का रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं 1, 2, 3. ये रिप्रेजेंट हो गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, ऐड 5 करना है. तो 5 कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं जल्दी बताओ. ये जो थंब है ये से क्या बोलते हैं, कितने नंबर्स का होता है 5. वेरी गुड. तो ये 5, 6, 7, 8 कर लेते हैं. अब नेक्स्ट देखते हैं 5 + 22. अब आप बोलोगे मैम इसमें तो 2 डिजिट है, तो कोई बात नहीं, डरना थोड़ी ना हमको. और यहाँ से हम देखिए ये यहाँ पर लास्ट नंबर ये राइट हैंड पे जो हमारा किस पे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कि 1 प्लेस के नंबर हम किस पे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं राइट हैंड पे और 10th प्लेस के लेफ्ट हैंड पे. ओके, तो चलिए यहाँ लिखा है 22. क्या लिखा है बच्चों 22. तो 22 हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, तो 20 बोला, 20 कैसे होगा लेफ्ट हैंड पे, ये 2 से 22 राइट हैंड पे 2, 22. अब यहाँ पे हमें ऐड करना है 5. तो हम 5 कैसे करेंगे, हम को बाहर निकालेंगे केवल. ये हो गया 20, 5, 6, 7, 27. लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे 27. Students, is it interesting for you?
Yes.
Now the other sum I am asking you. 16 plus 4. 16 plus 4. So this is the this is my left hand. Left hand will, this is the tens place. 10. And this
10.
is 5. This is 5 and this is 1.
Yes.
So this became
15.
16. This is 16. What I asked you, 16 plus
Plus
4.
21.
16 plus 3. Take
No,
first
5.
16. No, first take 16 plus 3. This
Yes.
is the 16. This is 10. This is 5 and this is 1. So this is 16.
Yes.
16 plus 3. So 16 plus 3.
Yes.
Now this is 9.
How much?
And this is 10. So 19. 16 plus 3 is 19.
90.
To continue or I will start the other topic. Do you want to listen?
Other topic. Other topic.
Okay. I will explain. We will start. We will continue with the other topic first. I will explain the abacus later also. So all of you are eager about your results. Have you done with your exams? All of you have solved your exams? Which exam paper I had given you today? Which exam paper?
Marathi and EVS.
Marathi and science. Okay.
Science.
Okay.
English.
Okay, which exam we will first solve the Marathi paper? All of you have done the paper? You have solved the paper now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Very good students. I can see the marks.
और नंबर लेते हैं यहाँ पे देखिए नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारा क्या है 6
You have to do this homework also, huh, students. How you will do this homework? See, how many this is here? 2 parts. From 0 to 1, there are 2 parts. So what will be this number? This number will represent. How we will this? How we will represent this? How we will represent this number? This is 1.5 because there are 2 parts between 1 and 2. So this is 1.5. Now what will be this number? Between 2 and 3 there are 2 parts. So what will be this number? 2.5. Are you able to listen, students? Students, are you listening?
Yes.
Now between 3 and 4, how many parts? 1 and 2 parts between 3 and 4. 1 and 2 parts. So this is 3.5. See, or we can say 0, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 7 upon 2, and 8 upon 2. See. This is the number line. Here I've written 0. I'm writing 0 here. Now this is between 0 and 1. There are 2 parts. 1. Between 1 and 2 also 2 parts. Between 2 and 3 also 2 parts. Between 3 and 4 also 2 parts. Between 4 and 5 also 2 parts. Okay. So this first number is half. This first number is half. 0, half. Now this 1. This is second part. So 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 means 1. This is 3 upon 2. Or 3 upon 2 we can write as 2 ones are 2 and 1 remains. So 1.5. Can we write this as 1.5? Yes or no? Because see, this is the one full part and this is the half portion. So this is 1.5 or 3 upon 2. Now this is 2. So 4 upon 2. This is 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 8 upon 2, 9 upon 2, and this is 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 means 5. Understood? Understood? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, very good. All of you are excited about your exam, Marathi exam. Okay. Ready, students? शाळेचे नाव.
Yes.
I'm using the laptop. I'm writing in my English. This.
Yes.
We will write full name. Then I am writing विद्यार्थ्याचे नाव. Ietta. You write your full name, okay? Don't write only one first name. The full name. Then next. Okay, now one of you read the question.
Miss clarity.
Yes, read. Wait a second. In the Zoom now, I'm not able to see your face. That is why. Yes. Okay, read the question.
सुग्रण पक्षी घरटे कशापासून बनवतो?
हाँ, आन्सर. उत्तर काय आहे?
गवताच्या काड्या.
गवताच्या काड्या. व्हेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट.
सुगरण
पक्षी सुबक वीड कशाने घालतो?
कशाने घालतो?
चोचीने.
Yes, next. Next.
याचे योग्य जोडवा लावा.
नैनाला काय आवडत असेल?
सफाईदार पडा.
जॉनला चिकाटी. अतुलला कष्टाळू वृत्ती. आणि सिमरनला मेहनतीपणा. ओके. वाक्य. हाँ, चलो दिशा रीड करो. रेहान, दिशा. वाक्य प्रचार व त्यांचे अर्थ यांच्या जोड्या लावा. फर्स्ट है शाबूत राहणे. टिकून राहणे. येस. वाखाणणे. येस रेहान. वाखाणणे. स्तुती करणे. तारीफ करणे. सर येणे. बरोबरी करणे. सर येणे म्हणजे बरोबरी करणे. चलो नेक्स्ट.
बरोबरी करणे. सुगरण पक्षी घरटे कूडे बांधतो.
झाडाच्या फांदीला. चला नेक्स्ट.
मी कुमारला हाक मारली. या वाक्यात सर्वनाम
ओळखा. मी कुमारला
हाक मारली.
क्रियापद आहे. हाक मारली तो क्रियापद आहे. आपल्याला सर्वनाम म्हणजे प्रोनाउन ओळखायचे आहे. मी. आता नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रीड. वाचन करा.
शब्दांत जोडवा लावा.
ओके प्रीतेश, दुसऱ्यांना पण चान्स द्या. येस दिशा, आदर्श. अपूर्ण. पूर्ण. नेक्स्ट.
जबाबदार.
येस. अयोग्य. ठिसूळ.
मजबूत.
Very good. Now after this you have to submit the paper. All of you have already done this paper. Okay, now next paper. The time is okay. Next paper. English and one was history also, na? English paper.
Yes.
Are you ready with your English paper? You have done your English paper also, students?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to write your school name, the name of the student, standard, division. Okay. Who had strong... Yes, read the question.
B. Who has a strong player in the team? 9B.
9th B or 9th A?
9th
9B.
A.
9th A.
Okay.
9B.
9th
9B is the 9th B.
9th B.
Okay, this
When
is.
the match started, all the
wait
players
second.
clapped.
Okay.
Fall.
Now the time is only 1 minute less. After 10 minutes, we will start our session again. In that, I will discuss the English paper and your history paper, both the papers.